The other thing about you is that you are Formula One crazy man. Now tell me if this is true or not.
No, not crazy, man, but yeah, I've driven. So I went to a rally school.
Brother, what the hell life is this? All the guys look at Abhi smiling from year to year. He's flying a plane. He went to a rally school. In between, एक picture करेंगे.
Trained for fun.
Huh.
Then at some point I went.
What is a rally school? Just explain to us.
I mean, you learn how to like go through like different terrains
So this
and
is
stuff.
this is the going to mountaineous stuff and all that.
Yeah,
This is
how do you spin a car?
the
How do you sort
four-wheel.
of
Oh, how do you spin a car?
how do you turn like
360.
360? How do you turn in like difficult
You're training to be a
situations?
stuntman. You're flying a plane. You're going 360 in terrible terrain. Yeah, interesting. Huh?
So it was fun, man.
But where does this all come from? Where do you decide to learn go to rally school?
I don't know, man. I just all the things that I want to do.
Huh.
I went skydiving, obviously.
Okay,
Which
slow
was a
down.
very, very
Let's finish the
stupid-
rallying. So you took part in rallies.
I didn't take part. I took part in one rally.
This is that famous Himalayan rally that.
No, I took part in some vintage rally in Europe.
Okay, and for which you need a vintage car.
Needed a vintage car, which I
So
obviously
you have a
had.
plane, you have a vintage car.
No, I don't have a vintage
Kunal,
car.
you're-
I don't have a plane.
Bro, 1 second. Is your name Gautam? Is this famous rich guy? No, right? Right, okay.
I wish it was Gotham. At least it'd be unique as opposed to Kunal Kapoor.
Yeah. Oh, that's true. Take us to the vintage thing. So you get a higher vintage.
Yeah.
What car was it?
This was an old Ferrari.
Wow.
And it was great fun. It was great fun. The school that I used to train at is unfortunately shut down now. And I went there for many, many years. Then I went, Abu Dhabi at that time was just sort of opening up and they had these...
Camel races? I
They
mean,
had-
what else is there? You've done cars, you've done planes.
maybe that's
Yeah,
the
what
next
the
one.
hell? Yeah.
But yeah, at that point of time, they had this Formula 3
Huh.
training kind of circuit and stuff, right? And the guy I was training with was Michael. He was on Michael Schumacher's team.
Not at the end.
No, not at the end.
Sorry,
Thankfully.
not even funny. I
Not even
apologize.
funny,
That's
yeah.
just wrong.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. But my memory of shooting somebody in a Formula One thingy and all that is they have these really small.
Oh God, it's really small.
How do
man.
you're a big guy. How do you get in?
It's tough, man, because the first time you get in,
Oh.
first of all, you realize that you're pretty much lying on the floor, right?
Yeah.
It's so low.
Yeah.
Then it's really cramped, and then the helmet is really heavy.
It's claustrophobic, brother.
So it takes a little getting used to.
You actually drove it.
Yeah, I drove a couple of times.
Yeah.
And now I think it's a normal experience. Like you could go to like Abu Dhabi and go to like one of those to
So-
the Yes Marina or whatever. And
What speed would you go at? Do you have? I mean, looking like
I think I
220,
was-
230?
Yeah, I was going about that speed. Yeah.
that's pretty cool. I've done that in my Maruti. No, I've not. Maruti will blow up. No way. Wow. And this is a circuit, right? So you're going.
This is a circuit,
the
yeah.
whole thing is the turn. The turn is apparently the most difficult thing.
The turn is difficult. Yeah.
Yeah. So they coach you. How do you? I mean,
I mean, I spent some time there. So
but it's not a regular car, right?
no, it's a Formula 3 car.
No. So what are you? Are you? There's no. Is there a gear?
As in?
How's the car designed when you drive it? Actually. No, as in you have to move a shift.
No, it shifts on. You got to shift on the
Like a bike?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
On
yeah,
that thing.
Yeah.
So all these things take time. I'm saying to manage, no? Because you.
It does. It
Because
does.
you're thinking. It's not like how we drive in our subconscious.
Correct.
You need to get there before
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
turn.
You got to
it
do it.
300.
Do it over and over again.
Yeah.
But also, like, I mean, it's crazy because when you watch these guys driving, you don't really understand.
The pace, no?
Man, wow, these guys are insane.
were you
And
there
they're
in
doing it
Noida
for
when-
like 3.5 hours. Yeah.
Yeah. So, no,
It's nuts.
I had a heart attack in Noida when they had that 2013. In fact, Rohit Sharma, who just retired, was sitting right next to me. I was very excited. He, of course, ignored me. But when it started, they gave us this stuff for the ears and all. I didn't take it serious as a fucking. And I nearly died, man. The sound
The
is
sound
worse
is
than an
crazy.
aeroplane.
Sounds crazy.
It's scary, and the kind of, let's just say for the environment, not the greatest moment. I mean, I was just stunned for about 5 minutes. It's a spectacle. Your blood is like rushing.
Yeah,
With
it's
the
crazy.
sound and the speed, it's just something else. I can understand once you see that, nothing else tops it. It's a little difficult, adrenaline-wise, once you
Yeah.
get into that.
In fact, this guy who I'm talking about, who was on Michael Schumacher's team, he was telling me that Schumacher was competitive about everything, right? So, like, if you were going down the stairs, and he was like behind you, he'd want to make sure that he reached down faster than you did. So it was just And the incredible part about driving these cars is that, which these guys have mastered at a whole different level, is you're going really fast and you've got to make really quick decisions, but you're really slow, right?
You mean in the mind?
Yeah, you're very slow in the mind. It's like almost like you're driving
Zen-like.
Zen-like almost, right? Because you can't be hyper about stuff, right? You got to be very calm and very easy, but you got to make decisions really quickly. And it's a bit of a paradox that you're going that fast, but you're trying to think. I mean, you're trying to slow down everything at the same time. You know what I mean?
I don't know, because I think I can understand fast-twitch fiber, which I am. I would love to race cars fast. I love the idea. But what you're saying is beyond my capacity, the second part. Where you have that stoic, calm,
Correct.
in control. The brain part, which is controlling the madness
Yeah.
which comes out of that.
Yeah.
I can't. I don't
For
know.
3.5 hours, 4 hours.
Yeah. It's amazing.
It's insane.
Oh,